Do you know how long a person can usually keep a coin spinning? We looked it up, and it's around 6 seconds on average.
In Mark Rober's video for this kit, he says the Ratchet Coin Spinner can beat that and keep a coin spinning longer than an average human can by hand.
That sounded like a fun test for us since we're already subscribed to the CrunchLabs series, and this is box number 2 out of 12.
At the end, we'll put it to the test. Evan will launch a coin with the spinner, and I'll spin one by hand, and we'll see who wins.
Hey, what's up guys? I'm Evan.
And I'm Ryan.
Welcome to the Bonding Blueprint.
Quick note before we dive in. The coin spinner is actually the second box in the CrunchLabs series, and if you missed our disc launcher video, that was box 1, and I'll link it below in the description so you can follow the series from the start. One more quick thing before we start building. With the disc launcher, we only watched the intro stem lesson. For this box, we previewed the build instruction video too. It was short and gave us a clear picture of the tricky steps.
We will still follow the printed book while we build, but I think watching the build video will be a big help.
The main idea for this box is the ratchet. It's a device that lets something rotate in only one direction. You pull it back to store energy in a rubber band, then release to transfer that energy into the coin.
Let's see what's inside.
This kit actually comes with 2 coin spinners, which means Evan and I can each build one at the same time and work side by side.
There's also a clear plastic cover that dips down in the middle. We can spin the coins inside and let them battle it out. Today we are building the coin spinner.
Coin spinner.
And it is by Mark Rober. Okay, so let's open this thing up. Okay, so there's instructions.
Wow, you got so excited over instructions.
Okay.
All right, so we get the instruction book.
Nuts. I get a free pen. What? It says CrunchLabs.
CrunchLabs pen? Maybe I might want to take that. So it comes with
I doubt that.
Comes with spinning coins.
Does it say CrunchLabs?
It does say CrunchLabs. It's kind of cool.
Oh, I must. Ooh, actual base.
And so as
this is awesome. We got this thingamajig. It's like a arena.
The dual arena.
Yeah. Nothing else in the box except this stuff. Rubber bands.
I will take the box. And as usual, if you need to get to the videos, there's
link in the description.
Well, I'll put a link in the description, but there's also the QR code on the box, and that's how you access the videos. All right, so let's separate I think this is what attaches the ratchet. So, as we talked about in the first video, if you watched it, each time you build one of these kits, you get one of these cool little gears. Oh, see, there's a little notch on the end of the grip, and there's a notch there, so that's why it wasn't going in. You just have to line up that hole right there with that notch. So
we have 2 of these thingy-majiggies.
So divide up everything into 2 piles. So you'll have a build pile.
So you want one?
Looks like it came with separate parts. Well, I figured while you're building one,
here you go. Then here's your parts.
Are these my parts?
Yep.
Are you sure?
Yep. I think that's all.
You're making me all yellow and you're going to be all blue?
Yep.
All right. Sounds like a plan.
Well, you have a red, and I have a red, and I have a green, or whatever the color this is.
You need 2 O-rings. I need 2 O-rings.
Yeah.
And then I'm guessing...
I already have one.
There's a bunch of rubber bands in here, so we'll figure that rubber band thing out. And we did, this time, we watched the build video ahead of time, so we have a good idea of what's going to happen. Oops.
Let's get into it.
You ready to get into it?
Yeah.
Let's get into it. Next page.
So, just a new video unlocked. Parts. Pause the video if you want to see.
All right.
Okay, so take one of these, then you put it like this,
And so you push in the blue piece until it clicks. And then we have the ratchet that spins. Whee! You gotta lift it off the table in order to push it in.
What? Oh, yeah.
There you go. Noise.
Yeah.
Hey, you tested it. Next step, pro tip. A ratchet is a gear with special teeth that stops the gear from turning backwards. Make sure ratchet teeth aren't upside down. Yep, you put it in the right way, I think. All right, next piece.
We're doing this stuff.
Got it. Oh, there you go. Put in that little piece.
Yeah.
The thumb piece. And then now you need your O-ring. Remember, these get a little crazy if you let go of them.
O-ring of Franza.
I'll probably be the one that launches it across the room now, loses it.
What the heck?
There we go. That's all right. Mark probably had a couple takes on video too. Did you get it?
No.
So here, I'll help you hold it.
Did you get it?
I got it.
Yay, finally.
Eureka. All right, next page. So you put one end in. And then once it's through the hole.
One thingamajigin.
Okay. Then you push it all the way through. And then the metal piece turns. So you want to open the metal piece up a little bit like that. So when you pull it back, you see how it locks it in place and then you can't pull it back through. Then you want to do the same thing with the other hole. Yeah, exactly. Just like that. And then you pull it through the other side and do the same thing. That's the tension for this thing. So that way it's always up against the gear.
Yeah, you did it, finally.
Boop. Now we load the rubber band in to get some power. So you need that one, because we're using the thinner one, right?
Yeah.
Shows you both and you use the thinner one. Over the hole, right? So you can see all the way through. And then you take the rubber band and you pinch it, and then you push it through the hole. And then you wrap one end around and hook it on the little top there. This is fun. I get to build one with you this time. It's too bad they don't all come with two. And then...
Oh, that's cool.
Right? So that's what stores all the energy up, and then...
That actually hurt.
Why don't you let me find out? Hey, don't hurt my coin spinner. It's my new invention. That probably doesn't hurt that much. Yeah, it doesn't hurt. Okay, you get one and I get one. And we put it in the circle. Easy peasy.
Dude, I did it way better than you.
Really?
And they're close.
Oh, now it's close. Before it was you were better than me. Now it's, oh, they're close.
They're close.
All right, they're close. I'll let you have that one. All right, next. Oh, more O-rings. Oh, wait. Did you put the O-rings on?
Can I have the rubber bands for this part?
That's what happens when you fall behind in this household. Your kid just moves forward without you, leaves you in the dust, abandons you.
Wait a moment. What's this? In his natural habitat, we witness the elusive Evan Side-Eye, a rare display caught on camera, subtle yet unmistakable.
Here, you got the rubber band on there too, huh? You learned from the disc launch. Oh, now you're just trying to stay ahead of me.
Yeah, I am. Of course I am.
In our house, we're not competitive at all.
You should measure it, how high it should be
All right,
for the coins.
question time. Which one's the bolt and which one's the nut?
That's the bolt, that's the nut.
Oh, man, you guessed wrong again. The bolt is the piece with the thread on it that goes all the way through. You all set?
Yep.
Okay. All right. It's going to go on just right.
I'm not gonna feel it live right now.
No pressure. Pretty cool. Ooh, man, the competition's gonna be fierce. All right, time for the showdown. I'll spin a coin by hand. Evan will use the coin spinner, and we'll see whose coin stays up longer. We'll do best out of 3 trials, to be fair, and if I mess up a spin, that won't count. And same if the spinner was a misfire. We won't count that either. All right, we ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Oh man, I don't know. Maybe Mark is a better engineer than I'm a coin spinner. All All right, so you won the first round, so now we're gonna do best 2 out of 3. We'll see what happens. Oh man, I'm disappointed. I thought I had some pretty spectacular coin spinning skills, but apparently Mark is a better engineer. Oh. All right, we ready? 3, 2, 1. Ooh, I had a pretty strong spin on that one, I felt like. Oh, is this gonna be a photo finish? Take that, Mark Rober!
Dude, it was like 2 seconds off. It was 2 seconds off.
2 seconds, there's no...
Fine, 1-1. Whoever wins the next one wins.
I know. It's coming down to this. All right, you ready? 3, 2, 1.
You're getting.
Ooh, I don't know. Mine had a jump.
I win.
I concede to Mark Rober's engineering skills.
That was fun. The spinner time was longer than your hand spin.
And yes, it checks out with Mark's claim that he can engineer something better, that does it better than I can do. So the mechanism gives a consistent launch. That's tough to match by hand.
The build felt much quicker than the disc launcher did. Agreed.
Previewing the build video was a big help, and moving forward, we'll do the same thing on future kits. Quality-wise, now that we've put 2 kits together, if the rest of the series stays at this level of quality, I feel great about it. We did the accelerated 12-week subscription for the summer, which meant a kit every week instead of once per month would show up. That delivery schedule was awesome for summer projects, and especially because Evan hurt his collarbone and we were a little limited with what we could and couldn't do.
Yeah.
So when you divide the subscription cost across all 12 boxes, the price per kit feels like an incredible value. Between the toy itself, the learning, and how much it gets Evan excited about STEM, it's really hard to put a dollar value on that. But overall, as a parent, highly recommend and feel it's a pretty great value. So, if you haven't seen the disc launcher video, we would recommend to go back and watch that. It's box 1 in the series, and we linked it below in the description.
Subscribe so you don't miss the next CrunchLabs box! Comments with your best coin spin time or really cool challenge ideas.
See you next week.
Bye-bye. Yeah.